That woman is a walking red flag. You hear me? Beat history. Alicia K back again with another video. We're just gonna get straight into it. So today I'm just going to be going ahead and installing or reinstalling, because I was supposed to record it the first time. How problem with my cell phones, couldn't exactly do that. But I'll be reinstalling this 5x5 HD closure wig from Tuneful. It is, I believe, a 26-inch deep wave, but I'm just gonna get into this. Tell y'all why it said supposedly. You see this? There's literally no way that this is HD, because in all actuality it should be literally blending in with my skin, and the closer you get, the more you can see that it's not. So this is what I shall do. So I decided I wanted to talk through this one because I just have so much to say, and quite frankly, I haven't really talked to anyone again in 7 days. Okay, while I wait for that to heat up, I'm just going to be using this wax stick that I'm pretty sure I just got from Amazon. It was probably the first one that I saw, which I think I just need to go get a new one because it seems like this one is almost out. I have such a huge forehead, and I don't know why I never like noticed it. It's freaking enormous. That's all that needs to be said. I am going to use some Got To Be spray and my blow dryer on the cool setting and go ahead and get this bad boy stuck to my forehead. Okay, cool beans. Just wanted to show y'all how it's looking. Again, like you can see how light this is. It's ridiculous. I don't know about y'all, but I'm pretty sure that the entire country is like completely enthralled with this Johnny Depp Amber turd, and I said that exactly the way it was supposed to be said. I am not somebody to get super into like celebrities' business because I'm not getting paid to know. It's not helping me in any way, shape, or form for my lifestyle. And it literally, like, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because I have always loved Johnny Depp. I have loved him in every role that he has ever played. I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and then come back and we're gonna finish this discussion. Back to what I was saying. I work in mental health. I see people all the time that really just have issues. That's just my opinion. My opinion! And I am not in any way, shape, or form someone who doesn't also have issues. This woman is crazy. She really chopped this man's finger with a glass bottle, which is interesting because let's go into the other thing that happened with said glass bottle. She claims that he committed SA against her with a broken wine bottle. Glass, mind you, a broken glass wine bottle. everybody wants to be a victim. It's not something that you should be wanting to be for the attention. So when that is done, it is such a huge red flag. Woman is a walking red flag. You hear me? And I really just the case has been such an emotional roller coaster because, quite frankly, you've laughed, you've almost cried at the BS that he went through with that crazy woman. I'm trying not to burn myself, my God. Of course I burned my forehead. Frankly, she's an attention seeker, and I really hope that the jury, after hearing all of this and after all of the witnesses, and especially after the closing argument, which I have not seen yet, but I heard it was hilarious because Camille Vasquez was going for Amber Turd's throat. And when I say she was going for her throat, I mean like the jugular. But all in all, if you have not paid attention, okay, let me stop talking, curl this, and I'll come back.
I was trying to say before.
It's just been so interesting, and especially to see somebody who is just a complete and utter narcissist. I mean, the psychologist that was on the case on Depp's side completely, I feel like, hit the mark with her as far as psychological issues go. Histrionic borderline personality disorder, which quite honestly, I was a little hurt. I was a little touched the wrong way, felt completely and utterly personally attacked because I have been diagnosed with MDD, with borderline personality traits, which is what she got, but they also said that she got the entire personality disorder pretty much. And quite honestly, to know that it can go that far, and to also know that I'm nowhere near her BS, gives me hope in a sense, but it also made me feel like crap because I was like, oh my God, it's like me, but to the extreme extent that I want to ruin other people's lives to further my own. I could never, like, I just don't understand how someone can do that. And to someone that you say that you love, someone that you claim I've wanted nothing.
Wanted nothing.
Girl, you don't shut up. Like, the whole case has nothing to do with the fact. The case isn't even about her domestically. It's literally just about the simple fact she ruined his career. And she did. She completely ruined this man's career. And I just really don't understand how someone who says that they love you could do that. Do I know that people do some crazy stuff out of anger? Yeah, cool. Get that completely. But this is like going above and beyond. Like, I just don't get how someone could do this to their significant other. Girl, the lies that she's told in the past month on that stand, under oath, under God. Come on now, under God. Like, I have just been completely and utterly just amazed. I don't really like how this one looks more full than that one. I'm just gonna pull some hair down right here. This curl pattern is so pretty. I think if you watch it, or if you have been watching it, then you know and you understand. But I've got to say that my favorite, like, OMG moment of the trial was when she gave her personal testimony, and it was time for her to go up on the stand. This woman claims that, like I said earlier, he SA'd her with a broken wine bottle. And you should have saw his face. You should have saw everybody's face, because at first people were shocked. They're like, oh my God. But anybody who's anybody. She was showing no social cues. Literally none. I was sadder than her. And I wasn't the one giving the testimony. I just really don't understand. Every woman, anyone who has a down there, knows. You nick it with your fingernail, you're bleeding for at least a day. At least a day. It is literally one of the most sensitive, it is the most sensitive muscle in the entire body of a woman. So I'm just gonna read this. The vajayjay wall is made of a muscle covered in a mucous membrane similar to tissue in your mouth. The wall contains layer of tissue with many elastic fibers. The surface wall also contains rugae, which are pleats of extra tissue that allow them to expand during sex and childbirth. Look, there is literally no way that somebody took a glass, sharded, broken bottle and that you didn't go to the emergency room, that you didn't have any ED reports, that you didn't have any medical records, and the only thing I can come to, she's crazy. She's crazy. That's the only thing that makes sense at this point. She has to have some sort of issue. I don't know how y'all feel about it or if y'all have been paying attention and watching, but if you have, leave a comment down below and tell me what like your favorite part or your most like mind-boggling, you know, thing that somebody said, anything about the court case, because quite frankly, like I said, I'm not somebody that gets too into stuff like this, but once I get into it, I'm obsessed. Okay, like I just can't. I like how anytime that I'm talking in a video, I like have so much to say and then I just go quiet. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you watched it to the end, make sure to comment a green heart down below, my favorite color. Subscribe, I'm watching you, because I know that y'all be watching my videos and y'all just don't subscribe. I mean, what is it hurting you? It's not hurting you at all, so just please do it. It would help me out so much. And leave a like on this video if it helped you at all, and if you liked the content, even if you didn't really care about the hair and the talk was what got it for you, please, so that I know that y'all like that kind of stuff. Again, thank you guys for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.